Hi everyone, my name is Nick. Nice to meet you. How do you feel today? I feel good. I feel wonderful. Yes. Mm, Today I make this homework. I'm going to talk about 8 vowel sound. The first E, sheep, C, bin, eat, key, agree. Some sentence features in the team. Oh, bishop, please. Can you see the C? Next, it, bin, fish, him, Jim, chicks, begin. Some sentence. Miss Smith is thin. Bring chicken for dinner. Jim is in the picture. Next. Oh, ooh, two, food, shun, root, fruit, recruit. Some sentence. Are you doing anything on Tuesday? He proved he knew the truth. We must choose the food. Next, up, boot, wolf, foot, shoot, wood, sugar. Some sentence. My best full. It should be good. Warm. He would if he could. Next. Eh. Check. Head. Sent. Met. Bell. Member. Some sentence. Send his friend a letter. Ben never gets upset. Next. Rent a tent. Next. Ah. Cut. Bark. Black. Hunt. Map. Candle. Some sentence. Pack the box. Have a snack. Jack. Bus. Cat is fat. Next. Up. Go. Open. Sofa. Round. Zipper. Master. Some sentence. I suppose it's possible. My cousin will arrive at 7. That's an excellent question. Next. Oh, bird, turn, host, walk, verb, occur. Some sentence. The worst or the circus first. That is the worst journey in the world. My birthday is on the Thursday, the 31st. Next, listening. Past 1. A. She's riding a moving walk. B. She's pulling a luggage along. C. She's packing her bags for a trip. E. She's knitting at the chicken desk.